Sports are activities involving physical exertion and skill in such areas as strength, speed, stamina, in which an individual or team competes against one another for entertainment of participants or the audience. Adventure sport or extreme sport are activities undertaken through the medium of land, water, and air, and they involve a high degree of risk. These activities often involve speed, height, a high level of physical exertion, and highly specialized gear. For example, bungee jumping, base jumping, free climbing, bouldering, sandboarding, motocross, mountain biking. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. Today we are going to do page number 90 and 91 of your book. It is related to adventure sports. Adventure sports provide mental stimulation as well as physical thrill. The thrill the thrilling sport have become immensely popular these days worldwide. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. Students, after the completion of this topic, you will be able to identify the names of various adventure sports enjoyed by people all over the world. You will be able to know about these adventure sports. River rafting is a recreational outdoor activity which use an inflatable raft to navigate a river or other body of water. This is often done on rough water. The first rafting trip was made in 1811 on the Snake River. Scuba diving. Scuba diving is an activity where people can swim underwater for a long time using a tank filled with compressed air. The word scuba is used for self contained underwater breathing apparatus. Rock climbing is a sport where someone uses their hand and feet to climb up a rock or an artificial climbing wall. Rock climbing is a very difficult sport because you need to have a lot of strength. Fourth one is paragliding. A paraglider is a free flying foot launched aircraft. In mountain area, pilots usually take off from higher greater heights to fly down to the valley. Fifth one is high jumping. High jump is a track and field athletic event. Without the aid of any device, athletes jump over horizontal bar placed at measured height. Sixth one, bungee jumping. Bungee jumping is an adventurous sport in which people jump from higher ground such as a bridge with an elastic rope tied on their ankles to stop them from hitting the ground. Seventh one is rappelling. Rappelling lower oneself with a rope coiled around the body from a mountain side. Eighth one is micro light flying. Micro light flying is a small private aircraft carrying not more than 2 people with an empty weight of not more than 150 kg at a wing area not less than 10 square meter, used in pleasure flying and racing. Ninth one is trekking. Trekking is a form of walking undertaken with the specific purpose of exploring and enjoying the scenery. Hot air ballooning is a type of aircraft. It is lifted by heating the air inside the balloon, usually with fire. Kids, I told you, after the completion of this topic, you will be able to identify the names of various adventure sports enjoyed by people all over the world. Now, I have one task for you to do. You have to answer this question. Suppose you are using a vehicle to do this activity. Now, you have to tell me which activity you are doing. Is it para sailing or scuba diving?